Hi friends, my name is Pawan. In this video, I am going to explain how to solve an optimization problem using simulation in R. Here is the problem. The problem is about a newly hired analyst named as Lisa Pond who is joined in the corporate planning department of Hungry Dog Restaurant. Her first assignment is to determine how much money the company needs to acquire in the coming year to pay for its employees for health insurance claims. The company is now self-sustained in paying insurance by its own. The company claims with its own pays health insurance claims with its own money, although it contracts with the outside company to handle the administrative details of processing and writing checks. The money the company used to pay claims comes from two sources: employees' contribution as well as its own money. Each employee will contribute $1.5 towards health plan, and the number of employees in the company may change from month to month because they will hire new employees every month, as well as some of them will quit from the company. So the number of employees in the last month is who opted for health insurance plan is around 18,533, and the average monthly health claim per covered employee is around $250. And they also mentioned that the employees count will be varied uniformly between 3% decrease and 7% increase, as well as the claims per covered employee will follow normal distribution, and also the mean will increase by 1% per month and standard deviation of $3. So in this main objective of the problem is to find out how much funds the company has to be acquired in the coming years to for health insurance of their employees. This is the main objective of the problem. Now we will look into the R simulations to find out what is the amount that has to be company acquired in order to maintain health insurance claims for its employees. Since given that the number of employees in the last month is around 18,533, and it also follows a uniform distribution with a decrease of 3% and increase of 7%. And average claims per employee is $250, and it also increased by 1% and with a standard deviation of 3% and follows normal distribution. Amount contributed by each employee is around $125. Now we have to determine how much amount the company has to be maintained for the coming year. In order to calculate that, we will simulate this entire problem for around 200 times in order to get the best optimal value of amount that company has to be maintained. So since employee count will vary from month to month and is also following a uniform distribution, we will simulate employee count for 12 months duration, and the minimum value that is of decrease is around 0.97, that is 3% decrease, and increase is 1.07 given since it given as 7%. Now if we generate this for 12 months, we can see how the employee count is going to be vary across the 1 year duration following uniform distribution. If we plot this one, we will see the following graph. So since it is a uniform distribution of variance, this is the how the number of employees vary from across 12 months, and the total employee contribution will be taken into one variable, and it is given by amount contributed by employee into employee count. So here amount contributed by employee is taken as $125 since it is mentioned in the problem. And employee count we have just now simulated for 12 months duration. When we multiply with these two, we will get the amount of contributed by employees. So here we can see this is the amount contributed by the employees from their salaries. Now we have to simulate for employees claims for 1 year. That is, it has been mentioned $250 employee claim last month. So we have to simulate this for 12 months duration. So we will take these claims into one array and we will simulate across 12 months. So when we look at the claims data, so here it is how much it is varying across 12 months duration. So from $255 to $308, since it is following a normal distribution, this is how the claims data is going to be varied. Now, after getting the claims for 12 months variation, now we will go for a total cost of health insurance. That is nothing but claims into employee count. So if we look at the total cost, so this is how much total cost that has been occurred due to health insurance claims. But this is not total amount offered by the company. Since in this total amount, the employees also contributed some amount. This is the total cost, overall cost for the health insurance claims. But what will be the cost of a company due to health insurance claims? That is, cost to the company is nothing but the total cost of health insurance minus employees' contribution. So from this cost to the company, we can calculate how much cost the company has to be bear for health insurance. So this is for monthly duration. Since each and every month the claim will be varied according to the variation in the number of employees as well as variation in the claims amount. So total budget for 1 year will be nothing but sum of all the costs in each and every month. So this will be the total amount of the health insurance for 1 year. So now we have to simulate this entire data for 200 times. Then we will get the correct value for approximate value for the amount has to be maintained by the company across next year. Now the total each and every for 200 trials, each and every time the total amount is stored in this total company budget array, and we will run this for loop for 200 times. Now it has been successfully run, and we have to take the mean of the array because it is a simulation data for 200 times. So mean of 200 times we will get 31, this value as a total amount that company has to be maintained across the next year. Thanks for watching.